Hello friends, I'm back with a nice Brazilian recipe today. We are going to make Moqueca De Peixe. It's a fish curry, speciality of Bahia state. Now in Bahia, we have a lot of African settlers. So their cuisine from there is totally different. They use a lot of spices as well, coconut milk, and the oil they use for cooking is Oleo de Dende, which is extract from palm kernels. It's reddish in color and it has got its own flavors also. So this curry is really delicious. I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's proceed to make. Here we have taken about 250 grams of fish cut into long strips or cubes, 1 lemon for marination, 1 tomato, 1 onion and 1 red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper or capsicums. Here we have Oleo de Dende, is the oil extracted from palm kernels. Here we have thin coconut milk, half cup, some chili flakes to your taste and salt as needed. And here we have coriander leaves. We'll be using about half a cup. I'm using frozen ones. So I'm sharing the link below how to freeze the coriander leaves. They come really handy. Or you can even use parsley instead. So first slice everything, the onions and bell peppers and tomatoes into round pieces. Next we are going to marinate the fish. I have taken juice of half a lemon as it was quite juicy and some salt. About 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Marinate the fish pieces with this. Rub it well on all the sides and set it aside. Now heat oil in an earthen pot. Bahian food is always cooked in earthenware. The base of these pots is quite thick and it takes quite some time for the oil to get heated. The food also stays warm for a long time in these. Now the oil is hot. You can add the onion rings first. Line the base with them. Separate the rings and just spread them on the bottom. We'll cover the lid and allow the onion to cook for half a minute or so. You can see because of the color of the oil, the onion also has changed its color, and this oil has got its own distinct flavor also. Now dip in the fish pieces. Just spread them over the onion. This is a very simple dish where you don't even have to saute or stir anything. Just place everything, layering one after the other. Now we are layering the bell pepper or capsicum slices followed by tomato slices. Again simmer them for half a minute. The texture will change little bit. Now add the salt, chili flakes, yes, and garlic powder. I forgot to mention in the ingredients we have to add some garlic powder as well. About half a teaspoon. You can add more also if you like. And here half a cup of water or seafood stock. Now again we are going to cook it for some time, couple of minutes. Intermittently you keep checking. Slowly just remove the top layer of the vegetables and check it out. Now add the coconut milk. And the coriander leaves. Now you can see everything is layered one after the other and it has to just simmer. As simple as that. The curry has been simmering for about 7 or 8 minutes. Now using a spoon you can just check the consistency of the gravy and also if the fish is done. The gravy looks so flavorful. The coconut milk has changed its color because of the oil. We have not added any turmeric or anything to it. Let it cook further 2 minutes more. On the whole, it takes about 10 minutes for this curry to get ready. Just check the fish pieces. Looks like it is done. The curry is ready to be served. Usually these curries, Bahian curries, are straight away served in the earthenware itself. You don't dish it out in other vessels. So cook some rice. This goes very well with plain rice and relish it. Hope you like this Bahian fish curry, Moqueca De Peixe. Do share the feedback in the comment section. Friends, do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Also, here are some more videos if you would like to check them out. We'll be back soon with a new recipe. Bye until then. Take care.